guys, welcome to our hometown vlog.
Yeah, today we're going to be taking you guys around where we grew up. We're going to be visiting a local farm stand, making some seasonally delicious vegan apple crisp, and we'll be showing you some of that beautiful New England fall foliage. So stay tuned for that, and before I forget, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on our channel to support us. Thanks!
Slow down, no, we're on the right track. On our way down, 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 yeah. Follow me through the sunset, where I forget my worries with you. Oh, I love how we connect. I confess a little bit obsessed with...
Hey guys, we're here in Bridgewater looking at pumpkins.
Yeah, the farm stands are so cute here. We're gonna get a bunch of vegetables and some beautiful big pumpkins. So yeah, we'll show you guys what we're up to.
Shopping at local farms is a great way to support your local businesses. It's good for the planet and you. We're always regulars at our local farmers markets.
I would say I'm a pretty chatty person.
Taryn, you talk to everyone.
Hey, you're friendly too. But really, I love to get to know not only the people at my favorite farmers market stands, but also the workers at my favorite vegan restaurants and coffee shops. It's nice to have friends around the city, and it's really nice to get that personal touch. We picked up some fresh corn, and later in the week, we grilled it with chili flakes, avocado oil, salt, and pepper.
It was delicious. Buying local reduces food miles and your overall carbon footprint.
It also cuts down on packaging and boost the local economy by supporting community jobs and unique businesses.
We love shopping at local small stores because it benefits our community's economic future and brings us closer together with our neighborhood.
This handmade pasta was delicious and vegan. We cooked it with a vegan white bean sauce, and we'll link the recipe below.
We had to get some of these apples from the farm stand too. We walk everywhere.
That's just who we are.
But it's also our favorite way to explore the place we live and relax.
Yeah, I always notice new things, even in my own neighborhood when we go for walks.
This is a nature walk from our hometown. The fall foliage is incredible right now.
We did some leaf peeping and worked up an appetite for apple crisp.
We used Minimalist Baker's The Best Vegan Apple Crisp recipe for a simple and delicious fall dessert. We will link the recipe below with the exact measurements.
Shaylin is not a big dessert person, but I am.
This is one of the few desserts that I like.
Yeah, and I think this recipe is the perfect seasonal treat. It's sweet but light. I find that vegan desserts don't give you that same heavy feeling as traditional recipes.
People think that cooking vegan recipes is going to be a lot of work, but actually there are a lot of vegan recipes that are easy and use ingredients you can find around your home. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
For apple crisp, it's best to combine half tart apples with half sweet apples.
Cut apple slices into quarters and remove the core. The recipe suggests peeling your apples, but we kept the skin on ours for added nutrients and we like the texture.
Place apples in a large mixing bowl and toss with lemon juice, coconut sugar, cinnamon, cornstarch, apple juice, fresh ginger, and nutmeg.
Once the apples are coated, add this mixture to a 9 by 13 inch pan.
Next, combine the apple crisp topping ingredients together. Stir together oats, almond meal, flour, brown sugar, sea salt, cinnamon, coconut oil, and pecans. If you have a nut allergy, we found that this recipe is just as delicious without the pecans. Make sure to use your finger or a spoon to break down any sugar clumps.
Pour this mixture over the apples and spread evenly. Then bake. Depending on your oven, cook 50 minutes to an hour. You will know when it's done because the apples should be fork tender and the topping will be golden brown.
Let the crisp cool for about half an hour and top with your favorite vegan ice cream or coconut whipped cream. Our favorite vegan vanilla ice creams are Oatly, Coconut Bliss, and Planet Oat, and we love the So Delicious Cocoa Whip.
While we were on the East Coast, we spent some time in Vermont and New Hampshire. Here's a little clip of the foliage and the cutest juniper bush in Vermont to celebrate the autumnal equinox.
Let us know if you try the apple crisp recipe. We can't wait to hear what you think.